Where's Dorian? No one knows where he is. Dorian. So hey guys, I'm just kidding. I didn't even know what that was. But yeah, the reason why I just did that, and it was very funny actually. Today we're gonna be looking at Where's Wally and that little cartoon character. Known as him, yeah. And there's this little fella over here. We're gonna take a look at some images. So let's not go to images. There you are. And I actually printed a couple. I can actually print some. I can actually make a proper book for myself out of them. What I wanted a jumbo book, such as all the pages starting from page 1, all the pages from the first page to the trickiest page, all these in only one pages were in these books, only in these books, and also tells you what kind of page you are in next. So that's what I want. I want the Where's Wally jumbo set. It's going to be the deluxe version as well, which is uploaded on 2013 for the full release of I think a couple of more stuff to search. Right now then, let's search here then. I think, well, let me just see. Wow, Odlo. This is so tiny, everyone. What about this one? It's crazy, actually. You know what? You can just watch. I can't do that. I was thinking to print it. I can actually print it. And from so many, I can actually print them and turn them into a book or something like that. I can actually follow my orders of pages for other books. But I used to play a game, but there's a scary Where's Wally game that it's very scary. I was like, wow, my god, I can't play that. I was like, well, okay, let me see. What? I'm not gonna do that. You have to color in the Wallies. Cake Factory. That's from the first book. Oh my god, guys. It's the BG page. Gold Rush. Wait a minute. Was that the BG page? It looks similar to the Gold Rush. Where's Wally? Gold Rush page. Pages. The Gold Rush. Yeah, I can't do the same as the Gold Rush. Right there. 9 costa okay, it's okay, I don't know. 9 costas extranas Q and Suntre. Yeah. Suntre bus Canada Wally. Yeah, there we go. I'm very good at that reading thingy. And that's the one I always wanted a long time ago. I actually printed one of the pages with this one. And look at this, the colouring book. I also had the poster one. Yeah. I just want to check. Checklist. Is this a puzzle or something? And they ask you to make that is crazy, actually. Wow. Okay, guys, I want to show something else. You know, I've never my category, yeah, is called education, but I never really follow my category. I want to become education. So why not just become educational? Just this part, yeah. Oh yeah, characters here. I also got the first book, but they're all ripped. They're nearly all ripped. I'm just gonna get smaller ones and just make the ultimate book fund. Let me show you what that magnificent mini book, the magnificent mini book box. Okay. I want to show you what I've got. I want to show you the ones I've got, guys. Sticker book. I think I like to show you. Sold gold. Wow. I don't have it. Wow. The Fantastic Journey. I actually got that book. I actually got the big version of that book. Because I got a tiny one, but let me tell my story. Because I got a big version a long time ago because I really wanted it. Then I went to my to another country, and then I left it there. And now my sister, now my little brother, yeah, I think it doesn't really matter who brought it, but Karina, she bought it, yeah. And then all of a sudden, I just lost my big one. But I still got the smaller one. But it's still okay because it's the same pages. I also got the yeah, it comes like this. Now one of my favourite books, yeah, was Waly in Hollywood. That were my man. My God, I really want to print this. I'm going to print this, and I'm going to make a book. Now that was one of my favorite books. Another one was Waly. One. There we go. These pages here. These pages. The beach page. Pretty cool. I actually got that of the wallpaper. Look. 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 You can see now. Also, I want to show you this one. Game. I want to look at games. You see that now? Google Maps. Guys, if you ever see a game and that never loads, don't play it. Don't play it, alright? Okay, I'm just saying because you get super bored, that's all. Churi. Waly. Nah. I deleted a lot of stuff. So you know, you can actually get, guys, where you can actually search for like your own Thank you guys for watching. Like my story. And I'll see you later. Bye!